Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. The top stories this hour. All Goa scrapyard dealers demand legalization of their business, ask government to stop harassing them. It is sad state of affairs in Goa Medical College. Newborn babies and mothers are forced to sleep on floor as GMC is less equipped to handle maternity cases. Goa Pollution Control Board inspects casinos, cites more irregularities. Supporters of Churchill demand Lok Sabha ticket of South Goa for Valenka or else ask Churchill and Reginald to quit Congress. Controversial structure responsible for Kurchara riots demolished. And Sporting Club de Goa defeat Dempo Sports Club 2-1 in I-League. Now the news in detail. All Goa Scrapyard Dealers Association have demanded that the government should legalize their scrapyard business by 1st of April or they will come on road and will not collect any scrap in the state. They have also requested government to stop harassing them.
हमारे को इलीगल ये शब्द से इतनी नफरत हो गई है कि प्लीज़ हम लोग अपील करेंगे गवर्नमेंट से कि इलीगल का ये शब्द निकालें, हमारे को लीगलाइज बनाएं। जो भी इसके लिए कंडीशंस हैं हम लोग एक्सेप्ट करने को तैयार हैं। जैसा भी करके हमारे को सबसे पहले अपने धंधे को लीगल बनाने के वास्ते ये लोग जो भी करेंगे, जो भी जगह बताएंगे, जहाँ पे भी बुलाएंगे हम लोग जाने को तैयार हैं।
Khan also requested government to stop harassing them. They have given ultimatum to the government till 1st of April or they have threatened to come on road.
अगर ये नहीं होगा तो 1 अप्रैल से गोवा के हम लोग सभी जब भी गवर्नमेंट खुद बंद करना चाहती है, जैसा कि 28 दुकान बंद कर चुकी है, 8-10 दुकानें बंद करने की पूरी तैयारी में हम आपसे के मडगांव में भी बहुत से नोटिस इश्यू हो चुके हैं। अगर गवर्नमेंट बंद करना है तो वॉलंटरली हम खुद ही अपने अपने दुकानों को 1 अप्रैल से बंद करने वाले हैं। हमारे को कोई स्क्रैप लेना नहीं है, कोई स्क्रैप को अंदर आना नहीं है। ये हैरेसमेंट फिलहाल बंद रखने का है। हम लोगों को अपना बिजनेस एज इट इज़ शुरू रखने के लिए परमिशन देना है गवर्नमेंट को। आपको देखिए आज एक्चुअल इंटरनेशनल नेशनल लेवल पे कोई बात नहीं हुई है। आपको यकीन नहीं होगा, मीडिया वाले जाके देखो हमारे गोवा के डॉक के ऊपर आज 50,000 टन स्क्रैप इंपोर्टेड स्क्रैप आके पड़ेला है। जब इतना स्क्रैप गवर्नमेंट वहाँ से लाती इट इज़ लीगल, हम लोग करते हैं तो इट इज़ इलीगल।
The founder member of Goa Foundation, Cloud Alwari, said that on environmental and scientific ground, recycling is a better option.
As an environment organization, मैं कहता हूँ कि between recycling and primary production, we have definitely on all scientific grounds, environmental grounds, economic grounds, social grounds, recycling is far better than taking the ore from the ground.
M.A. Khan said, from past 10 years, government is doing injustice to the scrapyard owners and people involved in this business.
जो माँ बहनें हमारे इधर से उधर से कलेक्ट करके लाने वाले बहुत अच्छी आराम की जिंदगी जी रहे थे, पिछले 10 साल स्क्रैप वालों को किसी की नजर लग गई। पिछले 10 सालों से स्क्रैप वालों के ऊपर एक जुल्म हो रहा है, इनजस्टिस हो रही है। और इनजस्टिस कौन कर रही है? इनजस्टिस गवर्नमेंट कर रही है, गवर्नमेंट के ऑफिसर्स कर रहे हैं।
The public meeting organized by All Goa Scrapyard Association held at Azad Maidan, Panji, witnessed at attendance of large number of people involved in this business. Our reporter from Panji, Yashwant Parab.
Recently, Health Minister Vishwajit Rane termed doctors' room in GMC to be a pigsty. But more than doctors, it is Aam Aadmi who is suffering more in GMC. Health Minister says GMC is being modernized, But sadly, maternity ward in GMC is least equipped to handle newborn babies and their mothers. They are being forced to sleep on floor as GMC is less equipped to handle the cases.
For newborn babies and their mothers, GMC is a nightmare. These babies are born just few hours back and they and their mothers have no bed to rest. Prudent Media, when visited GMC on Wednesday, found that many newborn babies and their mothers were kept in maternity ward without any bed. Family members were unhappy with all this treatment at GMC's premier hospital. This is what some of the people had to say about the functioning of GMC.
बायलेची डिलिव्हरी आत्ता जाल्ली तेन्ना बेड नासल्या कारणान आमकां भायर रावचें पडटा.
तुमी खंयच्यान पूण येयले?
पुणेच्यान.
तुमी बांबोळे GMCन येवपाचें कारण कितें आसलें? कित्याक बरी फॅसिलिटी अशें आसा?
बरी फॅसिलिटी म्हणून आमी GMCन येयल्ले पूण तेंचे कडेन कांयच फॅसिलिटी आसना. आतां डिलिव्हरी जावन आमी भायरूच आसा.
आतां इतकें GMCचें बरें जालां अशें मिनिस्टर बीन म्हणटा. तुमकां कितें दिसता हांगा कितें जालां?
तितून कांयच बेनिफिट्स ना गव्हर्मेंटान आमकां.
आमी हांगा बांबोळे हॉस्पिटल बरें म्हणून आमी हांगासर डिलिव्हरी काडलेले पण डिलिव्हरी बरी जाली पण पेशंटाक बायटीक हांगासर खाट ना. भुरग्याक घेवन भायर येवन उबी रावचें पडटा. आतां भायर रावन बाळच जेयल्या म्हणजे अशा परिस्थितीन कितें करपाचें. अशी कितली तरी भुरगीं आसली आतां तें पळोवन नजो तांकां कित्याक उबें रावन थोड्यांक ताकत ना. ते बाळन जालें की भायर तांकां वच म्हणटा. भायर अशें भुरग्याक घेवन येवन इन्फेक्शन सुद्दां जावंक शकता न्हू. कितलो लोक कितल्या तरेचो आसा आनी तांकां भायर वचोंक ते येता म्हणजे बेड ना न्हू. बेड आसलेले बेडाचेर न्हिदतली आसली ती.
आत्ताच आतां डिलिव्हरी जाल्या म्हणटा आनी आमकां आतां सगळ्यांक भायर दवरले 2 डिलिव्हरी जाल्या फाटोफाट. एके बेडीर दोगांक दवरले एक सुद्दां बेड ना.
Sources told Prudent Media that for many days babies and their mothers have been kept without proper facilities in GMC. When contacted GMC staff, they did not give any reply as to why there is shortage of beds. On one side, Health Minister Vishwajit Rane makes big announcements of GMC's upgradation, but the ground reality is different. The basics of maternity ward at GMC have still not been met. Would Health Minister give reply on this? Our reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kandolkar.
Goa Pollution Control Board has completed the inspections of all the casinos and is in the process of compiling the reports. As per the sources, Pollution Control Board has also cited many irregularities.
After opposition leader Manohar Parrikar raised question about the pollution caused by casinos in assembly session, the inquiry in this matter is on in full swing. Show cause notices were issued to all 6 casinos in Mandavi River, but out of 6, only 3 casinos have replied to these notices. Goa Pollution Control Board has already inspected all 6 casinos and report of same will be ready soon. Member Secretary of Goa Pollution Control Board, Ashok Daivadnya, gave more details.
No, we have already issued this thing, show cause notices and to all the casinos and 3 of them they have already replied. Other we are waiting for the replies and irrespective of that and all, we have already issued given the instruction for inspections and we are conducting the inspections of all this thing. That is in the process. Now it is nearing completion. We are analyzing them and we are collecting the samples and all. They will have to be analyzed in due course and accordingly we will be taking up the decisions and we will be placing before the board for further actions. And
inspection work on site is completed?
is nearly completed now.
Sources say that it is a fact that casinos are creating pollution in River Mandavi